Good evening everyone, my name is Marjorie Dumpas and my topic for today's video is about storing and packaging of desserts. So let's start about proper storage means cool dessert must be covered with plastic or placed in a labeled containers before storing in a cool room. So here's the observing the following guidelines. So first is desserts. Desserts containing uncooked eggs should be handled with extreme care, as raw egg is a medium in which dangerous bacteria such as salmonella can thrive. So this means you need to be really careful with foods like chocolates, mousse, and uncooked cheesecakes that contain eggs white for preparations. Second is egg custards contain protein which provides good food for bacteria. If custards are not heated and cooled properly and quickly, bacteria that are present in the custard can grow quickly to dangerous numbers. Third, any desserts that is not required for immediate consumption must be cooled rapidly and stored in the cool room until required. Fourth, if you plan to keep a pre-prepared dessert hot until service, make sure that the temperature of the food is over 65 degrees Celsius. Never leave an egg mixture in a bain-marie for any length of time. Any desserts that has been kept hot in the bain-marie for a while should be discarded at the end of service. Fifth, if milk and cream are used in desserts like trifle and custards, they must be left to stand at room temperature for any length of time. They should be kept in the refrigerator until the last possible moment to prevent the risk of food poisoning. And lastly, many desserts have a limited storage life. Make sure you check with your supervisor and follow organizational requirements. So here's my last report for packaging. So packaging materials for storing desserts. So here's the uses of packaging: glass container, plastic or cellophane, aluminum foil, packaging tapes, and boxes. So here's the equipment: chiller, freezer, refrigerator. Sanitary practices when storing desserts. Handle the food properly to prevent spoilage and contamination. Wash utensils and equipment thoroughly. Keep away from food when you are ill. Store foods and ingredients properly. Safeguard the food during distribution and service. And that's all for my reports for today's video.